The biggest mistake that people make when they are anxious, nervous, fearful, is they tend to ask themselves why a lot. Why am I feeling this way? Why am I not getting stuff done? Why? And why tends to give you excuses, or it tends to give you very surface answers. So when you can break down your actual patterns, so instead of asking yourself, why am I feeling this way? Ask yourself what, when, and where instead. So 2 questions to get at the what. What am I feeling? The first is, what happens to start feeling your fear, stress, worry? Now, what this means is, what's your trigger point? So with a simple fear like spiders, it's, I think about a spider, or I see a spider, or someone says, let's go to the spider farm. I don't know if there's a spider farm, the zoo, the insect house. With anxiety, with stress, what is it that you're thinking about, feeling, doing when that's at its height? So is it, oh, I've got to pick up the phone? Is it, oh, I've got to plan? Is it, I've got to look at my bank account? Because that, for a lot of people right now, is a scary thing. Oh, I've got to log in, you know. So what is the trigger that's causing you to go into that stress mode? Now, the second thing is, what do I need to believe to feel that way? And this comes back to the meaning we give something. So, for example, going back to my analogy just earlier about the pilot, you know, the pilot is going, flying equals fun, joy, freedom. The person who's scared is going, flying equals being trapped, being up high, being out of control, whatever their belief is. And that's for another talk. But so what's the belief that goes with that? Because people will die for a belief. They will fight wars over a belief. They will argue on social media all day long over a belief. But that doesn't make it a fact. So what belief are you associating to it in order to feel that way? So things like social anxiety. Okay, I believe I have to perform. I believe I'm going to be on the spot. So what I want you to do is just take a couple of minutes now and just ask yourself those 2 questions. Just grab a pen and paper and just ask yourself that. And just think about those 2 questions. So what are my triggers? What starts happening to me to feel that way? And what do I need to believe to react in the way I do, to link stress, to link anxiety to that?